You give condition for each case. That means when it is when the chick is moving upward by 10 steps, it should have the condition that is repeat 10 steps upward direction. Okay, and when it is coming downward direction 10 steps, it also should have a repeat condition. Okay, and here the event that you take, that is when space key pressed. Let us check now. So moving 10 steps upward and 10 steps downward, so it is jumping successfully. Okay, next you give coding to egg also. So egg is that is at 157 on x-axis and at minus 130 on y-axis. When it is moving from right to left, the values will be changed. When it is moving horizontally, only x value will be changed. When it is moving vertically, y value also will be changed. Okay, so you set the egg position. So now I set the egg position at x value 161 and y value minus 131. Okay, so when the game starts, the egg will come from this distance. So first you set the position of egg by uh, giving the motion block, that is at which distance at present the egg is 161 and minus 131. So here already there, go to x 161 and y minus 131. Okay, and it is gliding the chick at this much of distance. So glide 1 second, x 161, y minus 131, right? Okay, when the event is flag symbol is clicked. Okay, we can check also here. It is not moving because the egg should come towards the chick in opposite direction. So here in gliding will change the value as minus 161. So now you can see, so it is coming and it is only one egg is coming, so it is not repeating. So you can take the block that is in control, that is forever. So when the flag symbol you clicked, the egg come forever towards the chick, and chick will jump over the egg when you click the space button. Okay, let's start now. Right, right, right. But in 1 second, gliding that is not appearing well, so you can change the gliding timing, that is 3 seconds. Now you can check. Right. Right. Here when it fails to jump, when the chick touch the egg, again also it is gliding. But here you can give the coding such that when the chick fails to jump over the egg, that means when chick touches the egg, both will stop there. So you can give the coding, the blocks are in control. So control blocks, which one you take, stop all, when it will stop, when it should stop, wait until, what, touches something. So touches something means you will find the blocks in sensing. So touching mouse pointer, not mouse pointer, here chick. So when egg touches the chick, my it will be stopped. When event you take, that is flag clicked. Okay, let us see now. Right. So when it touches, when chick touches the egg, so both will be stopped there. Okay, and you can give the position of the chick. Sometimes it will stop in air also. Okay, by clicking the flag symbol, next it should take its actual position. So you can give the position of chick also. So it's first you select chick and you go to motion, and where the chick is present, on x-axis minus 155 and on y-axis minus 125. So go to x. Okay, when the event, it is flag clicked. Right. Okay, and here you can give the score also. So score, where we get variables, in variables you get the score. So you can make your own variable, it is score. So here set the variable by 1 here. So so change the variable, not set. So change the variable is score, so by 1. Okay, so when the score will start, when the chick jump over the egg. Okay, so here where is the, where are the suitable buttons? Here is the buttons, here is the blocks, not buttons, blocks. So here it jumping 10 times upward and 10 times downward direction repeatedly. So when it jumps successfully, okay, it will get each time 1. So the increment is 1. So change score by 1, right, when it successfully jump over the egg. Okay, now you can check also. So here it is not successfully jumped, but here the score is increasing. So here it is not correct coding, so you will change a little bit.